So one of the big themes at the conference today has been excess capital. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think that's a great observation that capital came up across the board today in many of the discussions. I think the things that I walked away that I found extremely interesting was the fact that yes, there's broad consensus that yeah, maybe today we're in an excess capital position, but there are some challenges to that in terms of if we think about tomorrow, if we think about the fact that we want to close the current protection gap, if we're going to adapt to the increased exposures that are coming from climate change, if we're going to ensure the new technologies and all the infrastructure that go with it, surely we're going to need a significant amount of additional capital. And are we thinking through that appropriately when we're saying we're in an excess capital position today? The other one that came out that was very interesting was sort of the idea around how expansively is the industry thinking around realistic disaster scenarios, RDS. So I learned definitely a new term today, which is fantastic. But the example that was given, hey, listen, the industry was a little bit surprised about the speed and the scale of the aircraft seizures that happened as a result of the Russia-Ukraine war. And are we truly thinking through how those scenarios may play out, considering that we are now in a very heightened risk environment? So the question was, are we a little bit too constrained in our thinking?